So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a supply line on the right-hand side. We were contacted by the homeowner. They told us the shutoff valve was leaking. We got here, it was not leaking, but you did have a drip up at the point of connection up here, and you can see it right there. So it was dripping out of there. The supply line had failed, and that's not a problem. So we just replaced this for you. Turn the water off, replace that. We did note that this mounting up here, you can see there's a nut up higher. Well, you can't see it. I'm going to get underneath there. This whole valve body underneath, this is the trim. Underneath is the valve body, which is the valve stem, is loose. The nut is pretty loose underneath. We tighten a little bit for you. Normally what you do is you take this little set screw out, take the handle off, tighten it up. This is fused in place right there. So push comes to shove, you may have to cut this handle off to replace it, but then you need a new handle, and the home being 19 or 20 years old, probably not going to find a replacement for that. So this is the way these get used. Just one finger. You can see one finger on, one finger off. That's all you need. You don't want to push it. Once it shuts off, don't push it any further. So it's a per user experience. You know, just be real gentle with it and you should be fine. If it starts to move a lot, then you'll have to, you can give us a call. You can give anybody a call, come out and address this specific issue. But we were called out because we had a leaking down here. And so we've got it all dried up. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.